Now that you've finished using your Laurastar S Plus, you can leave it set up. You don't have to take the water out at this stage. You can just leave it set up, or you can fold it away. All right, now to fold it away, bear in mind you've got 6 height adjustments. That's the lowest, that's the highest. You can only fold it when it's at its highest setting. So reverse the iron, put it away in its storage box. Can you see there? It's all silicone, so you can put it away hot. Close the door, childproof. Put the cord minder down. Put that into position, leave the cord minder attached. Disconnect the power lead, okay? Remove the water bottle, just in case it falls off when you're folding it. So remove the water bottle. Always take the water out. Just remove the water from the clean water tank. And now you're ready to fold. Now the folding system, all the systems fold the same way. It's about lifting the back, putting the weight onto that front leg, and letting the boiler weight collapse it. So as I lift the back up, I put the weight onto the front legs, the board is ready to collapse, my left hand is holding it as it collapses, and then it's ready to go, okay? So the power lead, best thing to do with the power lead is just wrap it around one of the handles so it's off the floor and it's out of the way so no one can trip on it, and you can just push it away into a corner. Now to open it up, do the exact opposite and push that out of the way. So hold it completely vertical. Use the bend of the board, the bend here, as your guide as to where you put your hand. The bend of the board, put your hand there. Split the board, pull it apart, drop the back down, okay? Just move that power lead out of the way. And then to adjust the heights, the levers, down. Now when you're going up, don't use the levers, let go. When you're going down, only use the lever. When you're going up, don't touch the levers. So lift it to where you want it, about here, and you're ready to go. So once again, one more time. Lift it to the highest setting, pull the back up, move over to the left, and fold it, okay? And then lean it up against the wall, and then you can just do the exact opposite when you're ready to use it next time.